We have some nutritious shakes here that we'll be sipping while coloring. So it's like a sip and paint kind of vibe, a sip and color. You can get this relaxing experience at the Drawing Room Creative Studio and Nutrition Club. And joining us is the company's Chief Creative Director, Shenelle Edmond, to share more about the studio. Hey Shenelle, how you doing?
Morning, Shenelle.
Good morning.
What one?
I'm good.
You good?
Yes.
The Drawing Room. What that?
The Drawing Room is actually a creative studio and a nutrition club combined. So here is where you get to enjoy nutritious meal replacement shakes and drinks and treats, as well as you get to indulge while enjoying your meals. You get to indulge in color, and then the creative studio is where I provide graphic design services and customization.
How long ago you started this and why?
So I actually started this in 2021, to be fair. I started at home. And that was because, well, first of all, I have been a wellness coach. And before that, I was a teacher. I was a full-time teacher and a graphic designer between hours. So I've always done graphics. I always loved art. And I found myself overweight and tired. And overweight and tired. Just moved to Kingston and everything. Recently married. And, untreated anxiety. I realized that I had a lot of anxiety, and I took on the journey of losing weight, feeling better, a healthy journey. And I started on a program that allowed me to lose 25 pounds. I felt great. Mm-hmm. And I realized one of the key things that I realized from my journey is having community, right? Having community gave me so much hope. It made everything better. And in the middle of everything that was happening and the restrictions, and in 2020, I had a baby. 2020, I had a baby.
Congrats. Yeah.
Right, 2020, I had a baby. So 2021, when everything, we're kind of figuring things out, persons had struggles finding something healthy to eat.
Right.
Finding healthier options. Persons were putting on weight, and they were asking me for advice. And having from my journey, I started the wellness coaching. I was like, well, I can make you something, And that's how the Nutrition Club actually started. And instead of fitness, now I have a baby. I'm now working from home because I quit my job in 2019, just before everything. Being at home, don't want to be, up and down and have the baby and everything. I looked for a different solution. So I actually started doing things like gardening. I started crafting again, and I realized that, this is super relaxing. And persons wanted that, but of course they're intimidated. So I looked for something that everybody could enjoy.
Yeah, no,
everybody could enjoy, and everybody could enjoy. So
Right.
One of the things, if you remember as a kid, just having a crayon, and if
keep it within
you
the
don't
lines.
remember, if you don't remember, you didn't do that. Just give a kid some crayon and just watch them go.
Yep.
Yeah.
Now, particularly what you're doing now is what we call adult coloring. You'll realize that the lines are more intricate. And I found this to be super relaxing. And as I introduced it to persons, they kind of enjoyed it too.
I'm actually having fun right now as we do this. You talk about give a kid a crayon. Your child is about 4 now, so your wall is essentially their canvas.
No.
No?
That's so strange. No, my wall is not his canvas. It's actually colored on the floor.
Oh.
It's uncolored on the floor.
Oh, well, that was
not the wall,
yeah.
And he has a background with great artists in Jamaica,
Mm-hmm.
So we found it interesting that he would color. But even these, surprisingly, the adult coloring sheets, I realized that when the kids come in the club, they actually enjoy this.
I'm having so much fun right
What
now.
kind of drinks have you brought here? What is this?
All right, so what we have here today, we have the meal replacement shake. So remember I told you I went on my health weight loss journey and was able to lose 25 pounds. These are the shakes that I used to, I still drink, 7 years now, drinking these shakes. And I found a way to make them fun. After 7 years, I like to play in the kitchen, play with my flavors. So what we have here is a cookie and cream shake and a peanut punch shake. That's a meal replacement shake, not just any shake.
And this fellow?
21 grams of protein, and then we have I'm calling it electric lemonade.
Electric lemonade?
Yes, so it's your lemonade with a little bit of
Them can drink, right?
Yes, of course. Would you like to try one, guys?
No, me trying the electric.
Both of these are electric lemonade?
Yes. So
And that's the cookie and cream?
Cookie and cream.
Let me try the shake while Neville gets electrified
Nice.
over here.
So loaded with vitamins and minerals.
All right, good
You
stuff. What's the response been like? Because you're marrying art with good nutrition, a healthy lifestyle, good mental well-being, and so on. What's the response been like?
The response has been really good. It's, persons have never seen the concept before. So one of the things
Come on, girl.
with adults is like, crayons, why do you have crayons in the club? I was like, it's for you to color. And I like, color? I said, just try. Instead of being on your phones, let's disconnect. So the moment you step into the drawing room, you'll feel an absolute I should have had pictures, right? Of the drawing room. But you have to come there to see it, to experience the drawing room. Because it's an experience of a holistic lifestyle.
So the drawing room is actually your drawing room, eh?
No.
I just want to know.
So, and that's the beauty about it. I decided to go commercial in 2022. So now you get to enjoy that holistic experience.
Not so bad so far.
You see, you started...
Never going with a good thing.
Yeah, go with
there.
the thing.
Don't it?
You see? That's self-expression right there.
Right there.
Right.
I'm more of an abstract art kind of person.
And that's the thing. You cannot go wrong with art. Like, there's no wrong or right way of doing it. You're exploring, you're expressing yourself.
So describe for us some of the other activities. For example, someone at home going, okay, I want to participate, I want to be in this. What can they expect?
All right, so the drawing room is not just the nutrition club. It's not just the health cafe and the food and the art. But when you come, there's a community. So we're doing different things outside of fitness for health. Because, persons normally focus on the diet or the fitness, but now we're looking at the mind. How are we feeding the mind?
Right.
Having the community, right? Genuine connection. So we have the coloring parties that we're having one coming this Friday. Coloring party, you come, and I'm actually working on a book. So what you're coloring here is an extract from the book, a Jamaican inspired coloring book.
Do we need to bring anything with us when we come?
You can bring your own adult coloring book. Please don't bring the kids one. It's very different. So unless the book is adult coloring. But when you come, I have books there. I have things there so you can come with your crayons, or the crayons are there. We have sip and paints, but we call it Artful Escape because it's more than just...
Artful Escape, I like
Artful
that.
Escape, yes. I work with other entrepreneurs to do the different type of events, to introduce different aspects of a lifestyle to just get that balance that persons are missing instead of the mundane task.
What's the cost?
The coloring party coming is free.
Hey?
Hi!
Say it again.
Yes, the coloring party coming up is free. We do skincare parties. That's another one that's coming up because it's going to be 1 year that I've moved to Red Hills Road. So we're doing skincare parties. We're doing the Artful Escape. That's like a sip and paint. We're going to be painting tote bags. So you're not going to have a regular canvas to paint tote bags, Have a little fun. And we do have wine, but most of the time I find that my type of clients, and this is where you find like-minded people, you don't need to drink to have fun. And this is the perfect thing.
Alcohol.
You don't need to drink alcohol to have fun. And the electric lemonade, they're mood boosting, because it's antioxidant.
Listen, you inspired Neville. Have you seen his work here?
I see him going he's just really into it. And that's what I see every day. Persons are resistant and it's like, I go on myself. So.
But when you say it is free, so what do you get out of this?
Okay, so when you come to this, of course, the Nutrition Club is there, the treats are going to be there. I also have a pumpkin spice rock cake for you to try. So again, these are treats.
Right. Well, unfortunately, we don't have...
but you can try that. But it's a pumpkin spice rock cake. Again, all of these are based from the products.
How do we get in touch with you? How do we find the drawing room?
So you find the drawing room, you can follow me I'm on TikTok, I'm on Facebook, and I'm on Instagram.
Okay.
So it's the drawing room DE, D as in dog, E as in egg, DRAWING, ROOM as in Mike, the drawing room.
The drawing room.
Yes.
Amazing stuff.
Thank you.
Love the smoothie. Love the coloring. I'm going to finish this.
Yes, you are.
Going to grab a copy of the book, give to my kids. Me and my wife can probably do it and save some else for the kids. Chief Creative Director at the Drawing Room, Shenelle Edmond. Manversations is next, right after the break, sir.
I'm busy.
Go on, Colano, with your blue beard, lion.
Yeah.